Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure here. I want to talk to you about some of the recovery gear that I carry on my truck. I have a couple of uh, recovery boards up here on the top. You can see them; they're up there in that box up there. Let me give you a better look at it. And and I just got one of these Kinetic Tow Ropes. This is a 30-foot by 1 inch rope, and it's big enough for this truck. Yeah, I didn't need anything thicker, like a 2 inch rope. Plus, who can transport that? That's going to take up like half my bed. But, anyways, so this is a nice rope I got. I researched a lot of them. It had good ratings. It had a lot of people had purchased it. Um, it did say some things about the bag that it comes with, and I can tell by just looking at it that it's pretty cheap. It looks like it's a type of a ripstop. It has a pocket on the side. It's just a cheap type of you know bag. Just like a cheap gym bag. Um, but that's all you need to hold this rope. I could invest another $100 in a nicer bag, but I could get a nicer rope and have no bag. So, you got to think about those things. So, anyways, let's unbox this thing. Wow, look at this giant Ziploc bag. Let's see here. There we go. Pull this thing out. Wow, look at this thing. Just to give you a size comparison here. I'm 6 foot tall. This is, you can see it's pretty thick. In fact, I would say that's bigger than 1 inch. I've always wanted to have one of these in the vehicle in case I get stuck. I try not to do that. I try to drive smart, but I'm gonna be driving out on the beach soon and messing around with that. And I need something like this. I have a 4 inch strap, but I don't like the way when you recover somebody, which I'm more likely to do than get recovered myself. Knock on something. These have a little bit of spring to it. My regular 4 inch strap, that's about 30 feet long. If I was to jerk somebody, it puts a lot of force into that strap, which is directly into your vehicle. So I just you know I just don't like the way those work, even though they work great. People have used them forever. I like these; they're a little springy, like a giant bungee cord, and a little more protective of your vehicle. Um, I've got D rings on the front of my truck. I've got a D ring to go in the hitch. You know, and with those, I don't connect those directly to this. I use a soft shackle, and I've got two of these. And I can just connect them together. I can connect them just one. If I had to tow somebody's car out of a ditch, I would put two of these together and put it around an A-arm or something underneath. When most cars don't have recovery points, and those little screw-in eye things, those little I don't know what you call them. They screw into the front bumper, and they have the little eye at the end, and you can connect something to it. Those things. They're gonna bend because they're so long coming out of the bumper. Any force left or right, and you're gonna bend that, and that's gonna bend whatever that is in your unibody. So these are better. These are nice. And if you're looking for some of these that are really decent, I will put a link under the video in the description, and I will also do that for this. Let's get this string off of here. You see here, look at that. That's nice. Might save that string. You never know what I can use it for. Check this out. Wow, that's nice, and this is awesome. you know, and you can hook them right to like a D-ring. This is a Harbor Freight one, a Badland, that you know, very heavy duty, 3/4 inch shackle. I haven't I haven't put these on the vehicle yet. I'm just gonna use them later. The back of pickup trucks, I would just put one of these in your hitch. Then you can connect the rope to it and tow somebody out. If you need to be towed and you're facing somebody, you could get something like a Badlands uh, tree strap, they call it. And since I have two D rings in the front of my vehicle, you know, you could hook this to the front of your vehicle and you could put it through this to both the D rings, just like that, you know. And you still get the kinetic energy, but it would pull even from the front of your vehicle. So, you know, I guess the pulling force would be distributed evenly on your frame, and it would pull you out real easy. On the back, you've got the trailer hitch. It's bolted to your frame. You just need this single thing like this. Works great. You know, wow, I really like this rope, the quality. But this tree strap, you know, you can use it for, you know, for trees or, you know, whatever you want to do. You know, but I would use it on the front of my vehicle to the two D rings like a Y. So anyways, so we got soft shackles. We got this little 2-inch hitch block that just uses your pin as a D ring connected to it. You know, you can get these and have these everywhere. You know, it's just up to you on what you think you need to carry. I just keep the essentials. I've got my recovery boards as well. I doubt I'm going to get that stuck, but it could happen. A loaded down truck, running around the sand dunes. You know, you don't want to get stuck when the tide's out. You want to be able to get out of there. You know, because eventually you're going to get a high tide. And like I've seen other people, their vehicles get taken over. And as soon as the first wave comes in, your vehicle sinks like it's stuck in concrete. So, anyways, recovery gear. I got this cool rope. I'll put links under the video in the description if you want to check any of this out. I would definitely check this rope out. I mean, this is nice. I mean, it's nice, soft. You can move it around. I mean, it's definitely, you can see the construction there. And it wasn't that expensive. I was surprised. I just shopped around, but the quality's there. And that's what I'm looking for, you know, without spending too much money. So anyways, I just wanted to share that stuff with you. You know, recovery gear is important. Everybody should have that in their truck, even their sedan. You know, if you say you hydroplane and get stuck in a ditch in your Camry, nobody's going to be able to get you out unless you got a few things. You know, if you have a couple of soft shackles and one of these ropes in the back and in the bag like this, just thrown in your trunk, not only can you help other people, but they can help you. And you know, nobody wants to be sitting on the side of the road all night because they're stuck in a ditch. So, that's just my 2 cents. Pretty cool. I'm happy with my purchase. So check out the links, do some research, and leave some comments below and let me know what you think. And if you would, please subscribe. I'll have some more videos coming your way. And hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. See ya.